Welcome back to another solution of reading in IELTS. Many of the students found problem in these kind of question that which paragraph contain following information. These are a little bit tricky, but I think these are the easiest one. Because in this, you are supposed to read the question only and underline the keyword. What students do, they read the passage, come back to the question, match the summary of the paragraph with the question, then try to find out. And in many paragraphs, same information is there, so they get confused. The best way to do this kind of question is that read the questions in a sequence, underline the three keywords, minimum three keywords, underline them. When you read the passage in sequence, in whatever paragraph you find the three keywords in any order, maybe they are in one line, maybe they are in the complete paragraph in any order, just apply that paragraph alphabet as an answer to that question. There is no need to sense the meaning of the question. What is the meaning of the question? What is the summary of the paragraph? Don't match that. Just match the keywords. Wherever the keywords are there, just apply the answer without any second thought. That's why I'm saying not one keyword, not two keywords. There should be minimum three keywords. I'm giving you a few examples to justify my explanation. So here are a few examples. The very first question is how antibiotic resistance happens. In this, my first keyword will be antibiotics, second will be resistance, and third will happens. As I told you, minimum three keywords. In the next question, the survival of the fittest bacteria. Survival means remaining alive. Fittest means best, and bacteria means any single cell life. So these are the two questions. I'm just taking example of two. Wherever the keywords will be there in any paragraph, I will pick up that as an answer. Here is the paragraph. I have just written few lines because I will be short of the space. So just to explain it. The D paragraph, resistant microbes, however, either alter their cell walls so that penicillin can't bind or produce enzyme that dismantle the antibiotics. Antibiotic resistant result from gene action. Here is my answer. Antibiotic resistant happens, how it happens, means how it results. Result is the synonym of this happen. So three keywords in one line. Without thinking further, without reading further that what they are explaining, I will apply D to this question. Now moving to the second example. When person take an antibiotics, the drug kills the defenseless bacteria. Means they do not survive, they get died. Leaving behind or selecting in the biological term those that can resist. Leaving behind means those who survive. In biological term, those that can resist. That can resist means they are the best one. They survived the attack of the antibiotics. So survive, best one, my bacteria is there, best one is there that can resist, and survival is there. So three keywords are in this paragraph. So C is my answer. I'm not focusing on the meaning, I'm focusing on the keywords. Here, leaving behind means those who survived, who thrived. Those that can resist means those who can bear the pressure of the that means they are the best one. What? Bacterias. So here is answer. So that's the best way to get full in which paragraph contain following information question. Try this tip. If you have any query, just give it on the comment box. I will sort it out. Thank you.